It's November 14th, 2004. Off the coast of Southern California, U.S. Navy pilots encounter something that defies explanation. An object moving at incredible speeds, with no visible wings, no rotors, and no exhaust. It's shaped like a Tic Tac, but it's 45 feet long. This isn't science fiction, this is real. And 20 years later, we're still trying to figure out what it was. Welcome to the story of the most consequential UFO incident in modern history. Let's set the scene. For 2 weeks in November 2004, the USS Nimitz Carrier Strike Group, equipped with the world's most advanced sensor systems, detected repeated incursions by unknown objects. These objects would appear on radar one moment and vanish the next. It was like a high-stakes game of cat and mouse. But on November 14th, radar operators finally locked onto one of these objects. Enter Commander David Fravor, a Top Gun pilot with the Black Aces Strike Fighter Squadron. It took off like a bullet fired from a gun. It had no wings, no rotors, no exhaust. It was unlike anything I'd ever seen. Fravor and his wingman chased the object visually for over 5 minutes. They described it as smooth, white, and shaped like a Tic Tac. But this wasn't a breath mint. It was a technological marvel, performing maneuvers that defied the laws of physics. Fravor later said, "We have no idea what we saw." After Fravor's encounter, a second F-18, piloted by Commander Chad Underwood, was sent to investigate. Underwood's plane was equipped with an infrared sensor, which captured the now famous grainy video of the Tic Tac. But here's where things get even stranger. The video was initially buried by the military. It wasn't until years later that a bootleg version surfaced online, sparking curiosity but not much attention. Then, in December 2017, everything changed. The New York Times published a front-page story revealing the existence of secret Department of Defense programs investigating UFOs. The Tic Tac video was at the center of it all. Suddenly, what was once dismissed as conspiracy theory became front-page news. It was a tough sell. The Times has a history of being very skeptical of UFOs, but everything was documented. The New York Times article didn't just reveal the Tic Tac incident. It exposed a much larger story. A secretive Pentagon program called ATIP, or the Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program. Led by career intelligence officer Lua Elizondo, ATIP investigated UFO encounters within the U.S. military. Elizondo later confirmed that the Tic Tac was just one of many similar incidents. There are many, many Nimitz incidents that are equally compelling. And it wasn't just Elizondo. Chris Mellon, a former intelligence insider, admitted to leaking the Tic Tac video to the New York Times. This wave of publicity led to the creation of a new Department of Defense investigation, the UAP Task Force. So what has changed since 2004? Dr. Sean Kirkpatrick, head of the All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, or ARO, says most UFO cases can be explained. But the Tic Tac remains an enigma. Detailed analyses suggest its capabilities were far beyond anything we can build. In fact, one of the goals of the US government is to reverse engineer the technology. It was completely UFO-related. Today, the Tic Tac incident continues to inspire curiosity, debate, and even legislation. Members of Congress have demanded briefings, and the public's interest in UFOs has reached new heights. But one question remains. What was the Tic Tac? And are we any closer to finding out? The Tic Tac UFO incident is more than just a mystery. It's a reminder that there are still things in this universe we don't understand. Whether it's advanced technology from another world or something else entirely, one thing is clear. The truth is out there. And we're still looking for it. What do you think the Tic Tac was? Let us know in the comments below.